Okay, we got a lot done, kinda. I didn't film it all because it was just a complete shit show. That's the stuff we got out. Got the inner outer wheel tubs. Basically, the rear of the frame rail is out. Like I said, it wasn't attached to the quarter at all, so we just got a clean lip there to attach to later. I cut off the wheel houses from the actual mounts up here, so I need to still drill drill the spot welds and remove the old metal there. And the same up in the top here. There's a top mount up in there for the inner. I need to clean the metal off of it as well. The rear trunk support, I just kind of opened it up to get a look. It's half-assed on this side, but on this side it pretty much goes apart. I set the frame rail in. Don't worry, I've got my measurements for height, width, where it is level, what degrees it's sitting at, like everything. It is a hack job, but it's a little more scientific than that, but not much. There's the vape again in the picture. Okay, so I'm thinking cutting it right here so we maintain the tank mount and building a piece from here over. Or I could replace the whole thing, and maybe it'd be a good idea. This lip would need to be, it's solid here, but this lip would need a patch put in it as well, like cut out and replaced. So it's kind of debatable. Again, new quarters. This is what was underneath. How nice. So yeah, we're in reasonable shape. I got to do the floor in here. So there's a piece that goes in there. They don't make them for the 71 to 3, but they make them for the 60 something to 70. Apparently it fits, so we'll use that. And everything in here, I got to get the old metal off of these so I can pin it on. But otherwise, yeah, we're in reasonable shape. I got to get the old pieces off of here, the old metal off of here, and again, right at this, there's a joint right here. From there over, it'll be new. This stuff is solid. Yeah. Huh. What a disaster. But piece by piece, inch by inch, we're moving along. Big decision on this trunk support. Got to figure out what to do. I kind of wanted to do the frame on one side, have it all connected, leveled, properly set up, and then do the other side. Just so, you know, we've got that strength in there in the meantime. But if I change the whole trunk support, that goes out the window, and it's just a hope for the best kind of deal. It's not a hope for the best, but I don't have I never made like a frame jig or anything like that. From all the years I built choppers and stuff, I'm convinced that you can be off by, I'm not going to say quite a bit, but you can be off by a fair bit on a lot of things, and they'll go down the road straight. I've seen it. So especially with the accident damage that this thing had, it was so twisted up anyway. To be honest, a jig might have been just putting everything right back to the same twist. So I'm going to try and get it a little straighter. But like I say, if I have to, we will we'll take this side out as well and do the trunk support. It'd probably be smart. Now's the time to do it. Don't want to have to do it again later. So okay, I guess that's part 4. Time for a break. She's hot out here. Thank you.